Welcome to this review of the Sophos XGS 87 Next-Gen Firewall, US Power Cord version. Today we will delve into an innovative product designed to secure modern networks with high performance and efficiency. The Sophos XGS 87 stands out as a robust security appliance aimed at enhancing network protection while maintaining high speeds and seamless user experience. The core purpose of this firewall is to provide comprehensive threat protection without compromising network performance, even when dealing with encrypted traffic. One of its most striking features is the TLS 1.3 decryption capability, which intelligently removes the blind spot caused by encrypted traffic. This breakthrough feature uses fast and effective TLS inspection and supports the latest standards. With extensive exceptions and point-and-click policy management, network administrators can easily integrate SSL inspection into their security strategies without worrying about performance hits or disruptions. Furthermore, the Sophos XGS 87 employs deep packet inspection to stop the latest ransomware and breaches. Its high-performance streaming deep packet inspection includes next-generation intrusion prevention, web protection, and application control. In addition, its use of deep learning and sandboxing, powered by Sophos Labs Intelligence, makes it a powerful tool to tackle modern cyber threats. The integrated XstreamFlow processors further accelerate applications, enhance TLS decryption speeds, and provide robust threat protection. In terms of performance, the appliance is impressive. With a firewall throughput of 3,700 Mbps and an intelligent mix throughput of 2,500 Mbps, it clearly indicates capable real-life performance. The extremely low firewall latency of 6 microseconds ensures that users experience minimal delay in data transfers. Moreover, the IPS throughput of 1,015 Mbps and threat protection throughput of 240 Mbps add to the product's reliability. These specifications ensure that whether it's small businesses or enterprise networks, the device performs exceptionally during daily operations. Among its advantages, the Sophos XGS 87 is applauded for its balanced blend of security and speed. Nevertheless, some users have noted that the initial configuration and fine-tuning of policies can be a bit challenging for less experienced administrators. In comparison to similar products on the market, it offers superior performance metrics and innovative features, particularly with its advanced TLS inspection capabilities. To maximize the benefits of this firewall, it is advisable to regularly update the device firmware and work closely with comprehensive policy configuration. Carefully mapping out network rules and exceptions based on your unique environment will yield the best performance and security results. In conclusion, the Sophos XGS 87 Next-Gen Firewall is a formidable choice for organizations that demand high-speed security without compromise. It is highly recommended for mid-sized to large enterprises and businesses that require advanced SSL inspection and robust threat defense. Thank you for listening, and greetings to all our